In this video, we'll show you what to do if the microphone is not working on your Acer laptop all of a sudden. So to fix this, first open the settings app on your laptop. Now here you need to go to this privacy and security tab. Now here scroll down and then click on microphone. Here you need to make sure that the microphone access is enabled from here. Additionally, you have allowed apps to use your microphone, so make sure both these toggles are turned on. Next, you need to go down and find the app in which you are using the microphone. Make sure the app that you are using also has the permission to access the microphone. Finally, scroll down and make sure your desktop apps are also allowed to use the microphone. Once you have done this, go to this system tab and then click on sound. Now here you need to go to this input section and make sure the correct microphone is selected from here. If your microphone doesn't appear on this list or if the issue persists, scroll down and then click on more sound settings. In this window, go to the recording tab. Now find your microphone here. If it doesn't show up here as well, right click anywhere and then select show disabled devices. Now once you see your microphone on this list, right click on it and make sure it's enabled. Finally select the microphone again and then set it as the default input device. Now click on the properties. Now go to the advanced tab and then click on restore defaults. Now finally hit apply followed by OK. Now close this window and check if the microphone is working. If nothing else works, right click on the start icon and then go to device manager. Now in the device manager window, expand audio inputs and outputs. Now right click on your microphone driver and then select uninstall device. Now click on uninstall to confirm. After that, go ahead and restart your Acer laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Good.